my question is, what is beloved Hazur's guidance for students who are newly married and completing their studies? How can one balance marriage life while studying at the same time?
You see, why did you decide to get married? Huh? Because you knew that you can discharge both these duties. Huh? If you had not known that what are the responsibilities you are going to take, then you would not have married at this stage, right? So the thing is that if you are a student, you are living with your parents, right? You are totally relying on your parents. Your parents are bearing the cost of your livelihood and your wife's as well. Okay? So, first thing is that you should try to get married when you are earning your own income. Right? And now, since you are married and student at the same time, then you should, your focus should be on your studies first, right? Complete your degree and whatever education you are trying to get, so that ultimately you will have better position and better job to satisfy the demands of your wife. So if your wife realizes that whatever time you are spending on studies is ultimately going to be for her betterment, then she will give you time to, okay, go and do studies, but not that you pretend that you are studying and watching something else and sitting on the internet and doing this and that thing. No, right? But at the same time, on the weekends, you can take your wife out for shopping, or if not for shopping, just outside walk and spend some time. Even during the days, at least 1 or 2 hours you spend with your wife, or if not 2 hours, at least 1 hour. But make it a point that your first preference is your studies at the same time, and also at the same time make your wife realize that this is going to benefit both of us. Huh? Right? Then I think they will not fight with you. Huh? Or she will not fight with you. If in particular, precise, you have to be precise, then if you are married, then she will not fight with you. Okay?